Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The design of a 2025 McLaren Motorhome offers an intriguing fusion of the desire for transportable luxury living and high-performance car engineering. Although McLaren's major focus is on high-end sports cars and supercars, the idea of applying their technological know-how and design expertise to a motorhome chassis raises the possibility of a vehicle that would surely raise the bar for leisure travel. To imagine such a car, one must make comparisons to McLaren's well-established design philosophy. One may expect a shape that maintains a sense of aerodynamic efficiency and visual drama despite being naturally larger than their sports vehicles. The building of the motorhome would probably make heavy use of lightweight materials, which are a defining feature of McLaren's engineering philosophy. In order to maximize performance and fuel efficiency in relation to the vehicle's size, this could take the shape of sophisticated carbon fiber composites and aluminum alloys. A 2025 McLaren Motorhome's powertrain would probably have a high-performance hybrid system, taking cues from the company's previous electrification initiatives. This might entail a powerful internal combustion engine, possibly their well-known V8, combined with electric motors to generate a significant amount of power and torque. In addition to allowing for quick acceleration, such a setup might also allow for silent, electric-only operation under specific conditions. Despite the vehicle's bigger size, the chassis would surely have a cutting-edge active suspension system, similar to those found in McLaren sports cars, guaranteeing outstanding handling and ride comfort. A McLaren Motorhome's interior would be a haven of custom luxury and state-of-the-art equipment. With user-friendly digital interfaces, high-end materials like Alcantara, and exquisite leathers, one may see a driver-focused cockpit that echoes the design concepts of their supercars. The living area would probably have a luxurious yet understated design, with a focus on premium finishes and clever use of available space. An unmatched transportable living experience would be made possible by features like integrated smart home technology, a cutting-edge entertainment system, and painstakingly designed modular furniture. Performance and a clear sense of sports heritage would surely be given top priority in any entry into the motorhome industry given McLaren's brand identification. The fundamental ideas of sophisticated engineering, lightweight design, and powerful powertrains could be applied to produce a motorhome that provides a driving experience unlike any other. Even though the practicalities of a large recreational vehicle and a high-performance sports car are very different. But it's important to recognize that a McLaren motorhome is still a theoretical idea as of right now. At the moment, the brand is mostly focused on high-performance cars. However, by examining how the concepts of a well-known supercar manufacturer may be applied to the luxury recreational vehicle market, the 2025 McLaren Motorhome thought experiment offers the possibility of bringing about a paradigm change in mobile life. The end product would probably be a vehicle that is more than just a mode of transportation. Rather, it would be a declaration of innovative engineering and design, even if it is still in the realm of theoretical possibilities.